everyone, this is Delight and Essie, Melody and Mercy. We thought it'd be fun to have you join us for one of our afternoon teas. We often have tea in the afternoon just as with a little snack, kind of as a little pick-me-up and to hold us over till supper. And we will often have tea with maybe some homemade cookies, or this is a treat that I've been making for the last couple of years that I really like. It is my raw apple cookies, and it's you just slice apples crosswise so that you've got the little bit of core in the middle, but you don't even notice that in it, but then you get that good fiber in you. And then I spread peanut butter on top of the apple slice and dip it in homemade granola. And these are so good. We really enjoy them. I especially enjoy eating, like if I would eat 2 or 3 of these in the morning for breakfast, it holds me over till lunch really easily. They're filling and yeah, they're really healthy too. So that's just a treat that I wanted to show you. Today we're having a specialty. We don't always have these special little treats, but we thought it would be fun to show you a couple of teas that we picked up. We normally use a lot of loose leaf tea. I specialize in that, but sometimes it's fun to pick up something in town that we've not had before. So we saw these Tivana teas available there in Walmart. I'd never seen them before. That one's a lavender, citrus lavender or something. That one.
Yeah, this one's citrus lavender.
And they come in such pretty little tea bags, the little silk type tea bags.
Yeah, they're really cool.
So they look elegant.
So fancy.
And this one is Peach Tranquility. So Essie and I are going to try the
citrus lavender,
and the 2 little girls are going to do the peach.
We'll show your what the color is.
Okay.
This is a citrus lavender.
They're almost the same color, both of them, but this one's a little bit darker.
This is the peach.
Yep.
I really like using agave for sweetener. It doesn't mess with my blood sugar, and it's kind of like honey.
It's really nice.
So if you've never tried agave to sweeten your tea, you should try it. It's really good. Just a little dab. Okay, and then just a second, I'm going to stir my agave in there. Okay, so we're going to try it here. All right.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I really like this.
Oh man, that's good.
It's calming. It's got the
I love the lavender.
It must have chamomile in it because that's what it tastes
You can try it.
like that. And then the lavender.
Yum.
The lavender's just right. It's not like overpowering.
Mama, I didn't sweeten mine near as much as Marcy did, so you can try mine.
Don't you think? The lavender is not overpowering. It's just right.
It's just right. I really, really like it.
And then the citrus under notes in it are really good too. Okay, so
I really like that.
I probably sweetened mine too much for you.
do you want to try
The
Marcy probably sweetened it
peach
the? Now we're going
tranquility.
to try the peach. Very good. Melody oversweetens hers, but it's
That is really good.
It's very peachy. Let me try it.
And I love the smell of it too. Like the smell of it is super, super good.
So yours is not as sweet as hers. That's good. Yeah. Oh, very good.
Really
I liked
good.
both of them very, very much.
I don't know which one I like
They're
better.
both very aromatic. Okay, and then we had a couple special treats that we had picked up at TJ Maxx. One is Turkish
Delight. So of course we have to try
pistachio
it.
Flavor. I've always wanted to try Turkish Delight.
Soft, chewy candy, it says. Okay, pistachios in it. I like pistachios.
And then this one is
This is also Turkish Delight with rose and lemon flavor. That sounds really good.
Should we try the pistachio
Yeah.
first? Okay.
Yeah. Leaving powder everywhere.
Oh yeah, they're covered in like powdered sugar stuff.
It's
Okay.
so squishy. Some of them don't have
wow.
pistachio in it. I like that.
Okay, they're soft and squishy with powder
Like
on
more
them.
cheers in there. One, two.
Are we ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mine didn't have a pistachio in it.
Mine did too.
Mine did.
does. Right there.
I think they're so good.
Pistachio's really good because it's like a little salty.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
That's good.
That is good. Oh, yeah. I
I should
like
try
that.
pistachio.
I'm gonna try a bite with pistachio. That sounds really good to me.
I want to try that too.
It's really good. I like the flavor of pistachio in that.
Is there pistachio?
Looks like there's only about 1 pistachio per cube, if any.
Yeah, not as much as it shows on the packaging.
That is really good though. I like it.
It is really good.
It's like really gummy.
So it's like, it's kind of like gummy candy, but not as sweet as gummy candy, and also, like, it's more soft. Like, it's not as chewy, but.
Now on to the peas.
So they pretty much look the same.
So we can try
But-
lemon and peach.
Ooh.
I
Yeah.
don't know which is which.
I think you can
On
kind of,
this
there's a little
one?
bit pink tint to
Okay.
this.
This is lemon.
And this is
To the
lemon,
rose.
I think.
Okay.
This is rose.
Okay. Rose is my absolute favorite flavor.
Alright, let's
How
try
about we try the
Anxious to
lemon
try.
first?
Yep, I'm gonna try the rose.
Okay, let's try rose first.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wow.
It tastes like rose.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it really tastes like rose.
This one's softer than the pistachio one.
Because this would be like so elegant to have at a tea party, especially if you're gonna serve rose tea.
It's a little messy, but
yeah.
but it's so good.
Lemon.
Very, very good.
Mama, here's a lemon.
It's very, very rose flavored. Like, it's really good.
Mama, there's a lemon for you.
It tastes, it's so soft. It's softer than pistachio one. It's like
Okay.
so soft.
Now the lemon.
The lemon.
1, 2.
It's good.
Tastes like lemon.
It's good.
I still think I like the.
I'm not a huge fan of like lemon flavored stuff, but I still
I like
think
the
I
rose
like
better,
the
but it's
rose.
really good.
Yeah.
We should have tried the lemon first. I think
Yeah, because the rose is really like.
the rose is just like so good. So yeah, I would choose the rose over the lemon too.
Yeah.
Definitely. But they were both fun to try. So yeah, thank you for joining us for our little tea party.
how the powdered sugar.
We're just gonna finish our tea.
Yes, I'm just gonna finish our tea and we will talk to you again soon. Bye everybody.